everyone, my name is ZeBirdBrain and today we are talking about the onion skin. While the onion skin is one element that is common in most animation software, the way it works can vary from one software to the other. Sometimes it's a timeline slider, sometimes it's a view, and sometimes it's a button or something. I don't know. Not one is better than the other, they both have positive and negative points, which is why in Harmony, as usual, just like how we got both the average stabilizer and the pull string stabilizer, Harmony actually offers you both a timeline-based onion skin, just like that, and a view-based onion skin. So the timeline-based onion skin is actually called the onion skin, or default onion skin, and the view-based onion skin is actually called the advanced onion skin. So there's multiple ways to activate the onion skin. You can either get it from here, on the toolbar, or you can also find it in the views. So you press plus and then you're gonna find onion skin. There is also two units that you can onion skin from. You can do it from the frames, or you can do it from the drawings. Generally, the slider onion skin is used with frame units, and it's great for painting all your frames or correcting cutout animation. You can just get your slider onion skin, set it across your timeline to the desired zone, and then just go here on your toolbar where the running guy is usually running. You can click and you have another option that is called Animate Onion Skin Range. And by doing that, your animation will move and it will move across all the frames in your onion skin. So if I do that and like I change the angle of the arm, it will change it across all my frames. While the onion skin view, or advanced onion skin, is generally used with drawing units and is best suited for paperless animation and cleanup. So this seems like a lot of information, but we'll take it piece by piece and everything will be fine. So let's start with the first one, the onion skin. So to activate your onion skin, you can just go in the toolbar and activate it right here, and then you should get some sliders in your timeline. If you do not see the slider, this is because your unit is in drawings. So very easy to change it. You can just go into your onion skin view and go here, and you can change it back to frame. The reason why it's like that is because if it's per drawing, the timeline is not yet able to show you which drawing you are onion skinning. Of course, with the default onion skin, you can still use these buttons, but honestly, I'm not a fan of them. They're more like a legacy thing. It's way easier to go drawing based with the advanced onion skin view, and that's what we're gonna see later. So in Harmony, the classic slider is called the onion skin. I sometimes refer to it as slider onion skin, and is best used with frame units. To use it, simply pull the little red and green triangle to the zone that you want and enjoy. It will keep the same distance relative to your cursor as you move it. So the slider onion skin is amazing for painting and cutout animation, but like we're seeing right now, not so much for advanced frame by frame animation. Like if I'm here and I want to see what's going on that drawing, yeah, it's not going to be easy to understand what the heck is going on with your animation. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to only see the drawing you're currently on and the 10th drawing of your animation? Yes! This is where the advanced onion skin comes in. You can activate it by clicking right here in your toolbar, show advanced onion skin, or you can also find it directly in the onion skin view. If you press right here, it's going to activate the advanced onion skin. While this onion skin is generally used with the drawing units, nothing stops you from using it with the frames. So if I want to see one drawing in the past and one drawing in the future, I just click on these and I should get this result. And if I move my cursor around, instead of being frame-based, now it's per drawing. So even if these drawings have lots of frame in between, it's still going to show me one drawing in the past and one in the future. You see, very easy. And what if I want to see this drawing, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawing in the distance? I can just go here and click on 6. And it's going to show me the 6th drawing. To activate these drawings, it's very simple. You just click on them. If it's dark, it's active. If it's light, it's inactive. And you can select multiple by click and dragging across. Very, very easy to use. The advanced onion skin also comes with little sliders to kind of change the way that you see your frames. Of course, if they're all like that, you're going to see all of them at the same transparency. But you can change the transparency by pulling on the sliders. And you see by default, they're linked together. If you want to unlink them, you can go right here and simply click here to unlink your slider, which will allow you to change them as you want. If you want them to be linked back together, you just click here, you relink them, and as you move one of them, they're all going to stick together like best friends. Speaking of this window, I'm not going to cover everything in there because I trust in your capacity to dig inside these toolbars. There's the multiple things you can edit about your onion skin right there. So original colors, like colored outline, it just depends on what you need. The onion skin view allows you to quickly configure Harmony's onion skin. Using this view, you can choose the color of your previous and next drawing, so that if you have a green background, you can change that color to blue so it's less confusing. You can also choose which kind of marked drawing to display. So if you want your onion skin to only show you your key drawings or your retake keys or something, you can also click on this. So now these numbers will only affect the appropriate marked drawing. And you can select a bunch of them together. So sometimes if you want to see your onion skin only with your keys and your breakdown drawings, then you can set it like that. And it's very great to look at the arcs in between your key poses. Pretty cool. So there's multiple reasons to use the onion skin in the software. It is useful with the shift and trace tool that allows you to move certain drawings on top of the others to clean up your animation or to check if it's on model. It can also be used to paint your frames. There's multiple ways to use it, and I hope that it will help you in your creative journey or something. So I hope you learned a lot, and have a nice day.